Welcome to this
everybody.
channel. This is Sarah. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So in today's video, I want us to unbox with me my new cookware. So look at the beauty. This is how they look like. I chose black because I really love black, so I thought it would be so really nice in my kitchen, so I chose that color. See how it looks like. I really love it. I really love it. Oh my goodness, it's really nice. It's really amazing. It is a set of 5, one big pot. There is a frying pan, there is a smaller pot, and the smallest. So I thought this would work best for our kitchen as we cook. So please feel free to subscribe, feel free to share this video, feel free to celebrate with me as I unbox this new cookware. It's really amazing. Wow, I love it. Your girl. Thank you so much for the subscriptions. Thank you so much for the 99 subscribers. Thank you so much. I am really grateful for the far we've come and for the far we're going. Oh my goodness. You're such an amazing team. You're super amazing. Thank you so much. May God bless you for me. I love you all. Bye. Next video. Bye. I love you all.